Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Karen. Do you guys still remember last time we filmed a video of how to use the directional complement 上? And today we're doing the episode number 2, which will be dealing with the opposite directional complement 下. So if you're interested, 看下去吧. Just keep watching. So the number one way to use 下 is to express some kind of detachment, like two objects are detaching from one another. For example, 扔下, 扔下, 脱下, 脱下, 放下, 放下, 丢下, 丢下. 下课了，同学们把书放下吧。下课了，同学们把书放下吧，别丢下我一个人，别丢下我一个人。The second way to use 下 is to represent something is changing from moving to being still. For example, 住下，住下。So you're kind of sensing a stop of the force. So maybe I was wandering, I was looking for an apartment, and now I lived here. So now my search is done. I am being still in this house. 住下，停下，停下。他走着走着，突然停下了。他走着走着，突然停下了。He was walking and walking. Suddenly, he stopped. So the last common way to use 下 is to represent somewhere can fit or can hold a certain amount of people. For example, 住下. Pay attention here. The 住下 in this case is different from the example that was given before. Here, for example, you can say 这个房子能住下几个人？这个房子能住下几个人？ That means how many people can this house hold? Or 放下。你的车放得下我们这么多人吗？你的车放得下我们这么多人吗？ Can your car fit so many people of us? 进来吧，我的车能坐下。进来吧，我的车能坐下。So get inside, my car can fit. So those are the 3 common ways to use 下 as a directional complement. What other ways do you know that you can use this complement? Leave them down below and share with others. And that is today's episode, which is short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Bye!